And now you guys set it up, and correct me if I'm wrong here, you guys kind of set it up in the office, just on a desk to see how it worked, and then you did end up putting it in someone's car, correct?
Yes, we put it around to travel around. I won't go into too many details with that, but it covered areas. What our big concern was, once we had set it up and saw what it did and realized, hey, this thing actually has a lot more than, what we currently have and can be applied in a lot of different situations. Probably the only thing that was the biggest complaint was coverage in the area. So we, drove it around, had it in different places, same places that would be dead in the past, we would now maintain service. So in terms of that, it absolutely, and now mind you, we're using the same antennas, nothing changed. It's not like, hey, this doesn't work. We got to change out the antennas. The problem's your antennas. No, we kept all the equipment the same and put the modem in, and our throughput and performance was better. So it was kind of an easy thing to see and recognize straight off.
Yeah, nice. That's almost just like plug and play, and you're seeing improvements.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it was just, and it's hard because, again, like I said, I've configured probably 80 of them, and so it becomes a little bit old hat until then you run across this and you're like, oh, man, it was faster, it was easier, just all around easier.